Hi, welcome to PHP and MySQL video. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found here at this URL, which is loaded here. And we are doing delete right now, the last one. Okay, to delete something, of course, we need to test out the SQL statement first. So let's try to write a quick delete statement. And you need a primary key. So obviously, the first thing we want to delete is log chain because that's the one we have been testing. We have been using it for testing. So let's say I want to delete something. Delete from products where product ID equal to 16. Okay, make sure you type this one correct, or else you delete the wrong thing. Okay, so let's try to delete log chain. Right, we come over here, we go to SQL. You're selecting part of the Kung Fu Panda shop. Control V to paste. Go. All right, and come back here. Browse the products. You see log chain is gone. So delete works. So before we delete something else, let's insert the log chain back. So we come over here, do the insert. Log chain is back. Come back here, reload. Log chain is back. Okay, so now log chain becomes 17. Product ID, so we have to say product ID equal to 17. Okay, now we are going to quickly do the delete statement, and we can make use of a file we did before, that is insert. Okay, delete is very similar to insert because you insert something, you display the whole database and all the records, and then you delete something and then you show all the records. So I'm going to copy the insert, paste. So I change this to 8. F delete. And then open this at 8F delete in Notepad++. And obviously it's still insert, so we have to start changing stuff. Okay. So require once. We're going to do the hard code first. So we're going to delete all this. Query will become delete 17. Okay. And statement query by value. We don't need that yet. Execute, close cursor, and then we include the select. Pretty straightforward. So what we expect to see is log chain is gone when we do the select. Okay. Come back here. Reload. Delete. Make sure you Control S to save. Log chain is gone. But this is not good because this is hard coding. So we want to do a bind value so that we can pass value from another variable, from another form. So come back here. Insert log chain back so we can delete it again. Log chain is here. Go back. Reload. Log chain is here. So now log chain is 18. Okay, remember the number 18 because I may make a mistake. All right, so now product ID equal to 18. Product ID, prepare. Bind value. Make sure you spell bind value correct. Control C. Control V. Control S to save. Come back here. Finger crossed. Delete. Log chain is gone. come back here, reload, 18 not showing is gone. Okay, so delete works. Okay, so we finish all the simple examples of how to deal with the data in the database. We can select them. Sorry, 8. We can select them, select the data using SQL statement, insert, update, delete the data using SQL statement. Simple ones. Okay. In the next example, we are going to do something more complicated. Right? Actually, put everything together into a website. Okay. So we'll be back soon in example 9. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.